Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss how to design roof by footprint. Okay, so all of you know we have a two method for roof design. First is footprint and second one extrusion. That all we have to see here. So in this lecture we have to discuss the roof by footprint, how to draw the roof. So if you want to draw the roof, so first of all I'm creating one wall here. Okay, so hit on this wall, architecture wall. From here you can select any shape. Okay, so I'm drawing the wall here, some different wall. One wall I have drawn here, same wall I want to copy, so select that, use the copy command. So from modify tab, modify panel, you will get the option copy. You want to copy multiple times, so in option bar check multiple. Now select the base and then copy this floor wall which you are creating here. Okay, because I want to show you the different. Okay, you can see in 3D view also the wall which we have created here. Okay, so come here in level. Now just little bit move it, use the move command, move it. Again use the move command and move this one here. Okay, so here we have created the wall. Now how to draw roof by footprint, that we have to see. So if you want to draw the roof in this wall, so what we have to do for that? Architecture tab, build panel, here you will get the roof option. So when you hit on this drop down list, the first option is given roof by footprint. So this option we have to see here. Hit on this roof by footprint. So when you hit on that, see here you will get one message. You have created the roof on the lowest level. Would you like to move it to level 2? Yes, of course, because always see here, when you open the elevation, from here just hit on discard. When you open any elevation, see here by default you will get level 1, level 2 in Revit. Okay, so if you have created any wall from level 1 to level 2, so in which level we have to draw the roof? In level 2 only, na? So that is why it is showing, because we are in level 1. And in level 1 if you are creating roofs, so you will get the option. See, same option. You are creating the roof on the lowest level. Yes, so would you like to move it? Yes, I want to create the roof from level 2, so hit on level 2. From here you have to select the level 2, then hit on yes. If you don't want to get if you don't want this message, so what you can do, hit on discard. You have to come here in level 2 first of all, in floor plan. Now when you come here in level 2, and now in level 2 if you are creating roof, so now you will not get the message directly. You can draw, because we have to draw the roof level 2 only, na? Okay, so remember this point. So now just I am selecting, I want to draw the roof. I am in level 1. So architecture tab, build panel. From here you have to select the roof by footprint. Now yes, I want to, would you like to move it? Yes, I want to move it roof at level 2, so hit on yes. Now here you can see in the draw panel you will get the different shape. From here the first option is pick wall. You can pick the wall and draw the roof. See, I'm using this only, pick wall. So hit on this pick wall. Now you have to pick the wall where you want the roof. So I'm selecting this wall. See, select this one and this one. Now okay, if you have selected the complete wall, now what you have to do, finally hit on finish edit mode. Now come here in 3D and see the roof which we have created. It's look like this. See which type of roof we have created here? Slope type. So if you want to increase the height of this roof or what, so manually you can go it from here. Otherwise select it. Here also you will get the option. In edit type you will get the option. Okay, edit structure. Okay, so now see, come here in level 1 only. But see, when I'm in floor plan, that roof is not visible. How we can identify we have created roof? So for that now, when you open the view range, we have to increase the range. So for that, you have to use the shortcut VR. Otherwise, if you want this view range setting dialog box, so come here in property palettes. Here you will get the option view range. Hit on edit. Now see the top range, it is showing 7 feet 6 inch. That is why in the floor plan only you can view whatever things you have created up to 7 feet 6 inch, that only you can view. But roof we have created above the levels, means 10 feet now. From 10 feet we are starting to create the roof, so that is why it is not visible. If you want to see now, so here you have to, suppose I have written 15 feet and cut plane, just leave it, apply, okay. Then also it is not visible, because here you have to select the cut plane also as a 15 feet. Now when I am selecting the cut plane, already I have explained in detail about the view range, okay, all of you know. So now it is roof is visible in floor plan. Okay, see which type of roof it is, slope type, and I have shown you the 3D view also. If you want to extend this roof, okay, come here, select that roof, but see any option is given for the for if you want to give the yeah, you will get the option in modify tab, mode panel, edit footprint. Hit on that edit footprint, and from here manually just you can select it and move it where you want. Okay, you can move it as per your requirement where you want, one by one, like this. Okay, just move it manually, or then finish edit mode. Now when you see in 3D, here the roof we have created is this type. Okay, all of you. So this is your, in this way we have to create the roof. Now come to here again. So this is all about the slope type of roof. Okay, suppose if you don't want to draw the slope roof, you want to draw the flat roof, okay, that option is also available here. So for that, here I am taking the another wall, and architecture tab, build panel, roof. Here I am selecting roof by footprint. So when you select, so you will get this option, hit on yes. Now in option bar C, define slope is given. By default it is checked. That is why when we are drawing the roof, we get slope type of. If you don't want to draw the slope roof, just uncheck this define slope, and then from here you can select use the pick wall also. If you want to use this option, okay, you can use it. Otherwise we have a different option also. You can, from here you can select the shape. Suppose I have selected rectangle shape from here, okay, and now I am from this corner I want to draw the roof, flat roof, then finish edit mode. Now see in 3D the roof which we have drawn now. See, this is a flat type of roof. Okay, in this way also you can do it. Now second thing, now suppose I want to draw the flat roof only I want, but I want to extend that roof here in the entire of the wall, means I want to give the overhang here for roof. Okay, so that option is also given. So for that, what I am doing, I am selecting the next wall now, this wall. I want to draw the roof. So architecture, you want overhang. So from here you have to select the roof by footprint. Yes. Now see in option bar, you don't want slope, so uncheck this define slope, and overhang, how much you want overhang, just draw it. Suppose 2 feet or 1 feet I have selected. Now from here you can select any of the shape. Suppose I have selected rectangle. So see, but before that, offset how much, 1 feet or 2 feet. So I have given 1 feet. See, you will get that offset from the wall, how much they have taken, 1 feet. Finish edit mode. Now see in 3D view, here you will get we have taken the offset also, overhang 2 feet or 1 feet. Okay, in this way also you can draw the roof. Same way for slope also you can draw it. So I am taking now the another wall, suppose roof by footprint. Now yes, now from here I want slope type of roof, so I have just check define slope and overhang, whatever you want you can select it from here. So I have taken that 1 feet. Then select the required shape and give the offset value 1 feet. You can say select the shape, otherwise pick wall is also given. Just you have to hit on that wall, automatically it will take the offset 1 feet. Okay, now see in 3D, here you will get the offset value. Okay, if you want to reduce, suppose if you want a different slope, because slope when you select the roof, slope is showing 9" by 12", you want 4", just select it from here, then apply. So now you will get this type of roof. Same way, press the Ctrl Z. Suppose you want to change only here, you can come in this one. Suppose you want to change the slope for only this face, so better is to come here, edit footprint. Now only you want to change the slope of this face, select that face here, 4" by 12" I want, so apply. So see, but this slope is 9 feet 9" by 12". Okay, I want to change this and this one, select this, and here I want 4". Okay, and 4" by 12". So I have given this, then finish edit mode. Now come here 3D view and see how we have given this slope for this two wall. Same way, if you have created any wall like this and you want to change the total slope of this roof, so you can do that also. Okay, from here, so I'm using Ctrl Z. First of all, discard. Okay, now slope I'm taking 4" for all entire roof. So now you will get this type of roof. See, so you can do anything. Suppose now if you have created any wall like this, okay, and here the wall is now you want to draw the roof. So what we are doing here, see, architecture type, roof by footprint. Okay, now here I want this one only, slope type of roof, but the problem is what? Okay, see, I'm drawing overhang. Okay, just select the shape, rectangle shape, from this point to this point, but here you have to take the offset also, then finish edit mode. Okay, the roof is ready, you can see. But suppose here what I have done, select it, hit on edit footprint. Now here you will get in 3D, come here in level 1. Suppose in this here I don't want to show the slope loop. Here in this phase I don't want slope type of roof, I want flat roof. So from here, see, here you will get the option, just select that wall and slope. Just in option bar you have to uncheck define slope. So this is your normal roof. Same way here also you want, select that face, uncheck define slope, finish edit mode. Now when you come in 3D, now see this type of roof we have drawn, because here we don't need that slope so we have deleted that. But see, now the problem is what? The wall is not attached to this roof. Now the second thing what I want to do here, I want to attach the wall to this roof. So how to do that? See, if you want to attach the wall, select that wall which you want to attach. So I want to attach this complete wall which I have drawn. Okay, so for that, take cursor near to any of the wall, press the tab key to select the complete wall like this. Then you can see in modify tab, modify wall panel, you will get the option attach top or base. Hit on that attach top or base. Now where you want to attach, so see, in an option bar, attach wall, you want to attach this wall at top or base. So I want to attach the top, so hit on top. Now select the roof from where you want to attach. So see, automatically the wall is attached to this roof. Okay, so this setting also you can do now. Same way, press the Ctrl Z. Now I will show you. Suppose sorry, hit on discard. Suppose here I have created this, I don't want to see na. So what I have done, select edit footprint, here in level 1, come here. Suppose this face I want flat, this also I don't want here the slope type, so I have given, then finish edit mode. You can see in 3D. Now I want to show you, you can attach the wall like this also. Select the wall, and then here drag point you will get, but see what happened when you are dragging, it's look like this. Okay, that is why you have to use that concept. What concept? Select the wall with the help of tab key, complete wall, attach top. Now from here you have to hit on top and select that roof. The see wall is attached. Now if you want to detach, so here option is given detach top. Okay, detach all. See, the wall is detached. Correct this thing. So in this way we have to attach the wall to the top face like this. Okay, now other option is also there. You can see when I am using, I want to draw the roof. So architecture tab, build panel, roof. I'm using roof by footprint. Hit on yes. Now in option bar you will get the next option, extend to wall core. Suppose if you are drawing any roof, you want to extend that roof to wall core, so you can move it. Or what is wall core, wall center line, already I have explained. We have a separate topic for that. You can just go through that topic. Okay, so now I'm just check, I don't want overhang, so just give 0 if you don't want overhang. If you want slope type of roof, select it. Then here I don't want slope also. If you want, you can just select. Now from here you have to hit on extend to wall core. Now the roof, use a pick wall, select the wall. Now see, only your wall will extend at the core. You can see in 3D view, up to core only the wall will extend. Okay, like this. Suppose you have not selected that core, if you want to extend up to here, so as I have discussed, edit footprint, come here in level 1 and manually what you can do, just select and move it. How to move, all of you know, just move it like this. Select this face, move it little bit here, then select this face, move it here, then hit on apply. Okay, see now the wall we have extended. But if you want this roof only up to core, so same thing, hit on edit. In level 1, when you select here, you have to uncheck this extend into wall. Okay, getting? So you will get, so from here I'm just discarding. Clear all of you? All option I have shown you how to use the footprint. Suppose you have some other shape like this type of shape. Suppose I'm just delete this one. Suppose you have drawn some wall of different shape like this, suppose 8-inch wall you have created here. Now I'm using same, I want to draw the wall by using the line command. It's look this type. See now in 3D how it's look. I don't want this one, this wall, so I'm using this split command. So modify tab, split, just select, and now you can select this wall and drag it up to here only. Now this wall also select and drag it up to here. Now see in 3D the wall. Now I want to draw the roof here. Okay, so what you can do, just first copy this one, select, use the copy command. Okay, from here you can use the copy command also and copy it. Okay, so if you want to draw the roof, what you have to do, architecture tab, build panel, here you will get the roof by footprint. Yes. Then you can select the pick wall, or otherwise line option is given, so I'm selecting pick. Just select pick the wall from here and draw the roof. Which type of roof we have drawn? Slope type, like this. But here see the roof which we have drawn up to where? Up to core only. So just hit on edit, come here in level 1. When you select it, now if you want to extend into wall, so just check, but it is not extend, so manually you have to go it. Okay, so you can draw it as per your, so that is why I'm telling, if you want to draw exact roof, if you want, so better is to use the line command. So I'm going to discard and come here. Now I want to draw the roof by footprint. So what I'm doing, I'm using the line here from draw panel. Use the line, and then from this corner just draw it like this. Okay, if you want to give any offset, you can give the offset value also. So from here I'm taking the line, draw one line horizontally up to this point, then draw the line up to here, then draw it here, corner of this room, and here. Okay, in this way you can just draw the roof by using footprint. Then finally finish. Now see in 3D the roof which we have drawn from this exterior part. Okay, so you can draw different types from here. If you want to change the slope, select 4 inch, you want to just select it 4 inch, apply, so you will get this type of room. Okay, so in this way we have to create roof by footprint. I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you. Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss how to create roof by extrusion. Okay, so let's start. So in previous lecture we have seen how to create roof by option by a footprint. We have seen, okay, how to create a flat roof and sloping type of roof, that all we have seen. Now I will show you how to create a roof by using extrusion. Okay, so by if you are using this roof by extrusion, so you can create a roof by extruding a profile that you sketch, okay, as per your requirement. If you want some other types of roof, any types, you can draw it. You have to draw a sketch, based on that you will get the profile. You can easily extrude the profile. Okay, so let's see. Here I am creating one wall first of all. Okay, so how to create the wall, all of you know. Architecture tab, build panel, from here I am selecting architect wall. Now here you can see from draw panel I have selected rectangle. Up to which level you want to draw the wall, so level 2. Okay, just draw it. Here I have drawn the wall. Okay, same I'm I want to copy, so select it, use copy, and in option bar check multiple. So see here I have copied the wall. Okay, different types of wall is available here. Now you can see in 3D view also. See, always remember detail level, always you have to select the fine, and visual style always work in shaded view, it is best. Okay, so now here we have created the wall. Now I want to create a roof by using what? By extrusion. Okay, so we can create a roof by extruding a profile that you sketch here. So suppose, come here in floor plan first of all. Okay, so all of you know that roof which we are creating, where in level 2 only we have to create the roof. Roof start from the level 2. So okay, you all of you know, because the wall which we have created, we have started from level 1 and up to where? Level 2. So in level 2 only we have to create a roof. So how you can use that? Architecture tab, build panel, roof. When you hit on this drop down list, first you will get the roof by footprint, that already we have seen. Now second option, you can see the roof by extrusion. So now you have to hit on roof by extrusion. So when you hit here, you will get the option. You have to set a work plane. So from here specify a new work plane, select pick a plane. Okay, you have to pick a plane, because if you have given any plane name, so on that time you have to select the name, but here you have to use a pick a plane. Okay, now you want to create a roof here, so just select the plane from where you want to. So suppose this is my plane, hit on that. Now what they are telling, in order to edit this sketch, please open one of the following view. So suppose any of the view, suppose I have selected north elevation, open view. Then if you want to give the offset, roof offset, so you can give it, and level they are showing level 2, because we need to create a roof in level 2 only, so that is why the option is given. Okay, hit on OK. Now see, come here, I want to create a roof in this wall which we have created here. Okay, this wall. So you can select any of the shape, you can give any shape, you can easily create any shape of roof. Suppose I am taking from draw panel, I am taking the start and radius arc. Suppose I want some curve type of roof, like uh, this type of roof I want. So what I am doing, see, just create. Now again I have, see, this type of roof I want. After drawing the profile, just here in mode panel you will get the option finish edit mode, hit on that. See, the roof is ready. If you want to see, come here in 3D view, see the roof which we have created. Here you will get that roof. Okay, now you can see, but see, here some of the wall is not attached to this roof. So if you want to attach completely this wall to the roof which you have created, so what we have to do, all of you know already, I have discussed. But see, just select the complete wall from the drawing. How to select? Just take the cursor near to any of the wall, press the tab key to select the complete wall, left click. Now in modify tab, modify wall panel, you will get the option attach top base, hit on that, and you have to select the roof. See, now this type of roof I have created here, you can see. Okay, same way you can create any other types also, any shape of roof. By using this roof by extrusion, you can create any shape of roof. Okay, so in level 1 I am coming here. Now suppose here I want to create one roof, but see, when I'm in top view, the roof is not visible. If you want to see the roof, so same thing, view range, press view range here, just select the 15 feet of cut plane, also take as a 15 feet, apply. Okay, so see, here we have given the roof for this wall, so it is shown here. Suppose same thing, I want to create one more roof here. Okay, so what I am doing, in roof I am selecting roof by extrusion, then pick a plane. So I have selected this plane. Now if you want to edit this sketch, so you have to select any of the views. Suppose I have selected north, open. Okay, if you want to give the offset, suppose now I want to give offset, so just give it. Okay, whatever you want. So okay, we have selected here. See, different is given here. So from the north elevation, now I'm creating wall here. Suppose now I'm taking line command. From here I want to start, I have drawn some this type of roof. See, it's look. So suppose I want this type of roof. So here I have selected, I have created a profile, then finish edit mode, any type. Now you can see in 3D the roof which we have created. But the problem is what? See, better is what? Just uh, delete this one extra which you have done, and you want to apply the profile here, so just delete this. Okay, come here in level 1. Now use it. See, roof by extrusion, pick up plane, select the plane like this, open view. Okay, now here I am creating a new profile for roof. Suppose from line command, just draw a roof like this. Okay, I want this type of profile. Finish edit mode. Now you can see in 3D view the roof which we have created. It's look like this. Same way here we have a gap. If you want to attach this wall to the roof, so select the complete wall as I told you with the help of tab key, and here you will get the option attach top. Then select the roof. See, the wall is attached now. So in this way you can create any shape of roof. Okay, same way, suppose you don't want this roof, so just select any other roof, you can create it. Suppose I want like this, in roof only, roof by extrusion, pick a plane. Okay, select a plane here, open view. Okay, now I'm creating this type of shape with the help of arc command. What I'm doing, I want this type of roof like this. Okay, then finish edit mode. See, in 3D we have created the roof. You want to attach the wall, so select the complete wall with the help of tab key, attach top, and select the roof. Now see, the wall is attached. Now suppose sometime if you want to do edit, if you want to edit this roof, you want to increase here the roof length, so select that roof. Edit profile option is given, hit on that. Now from here, if you want to increase from in 3D also you can do it, otherwise in floor plan also. Finish edit mode. Now see, the length of this roof will increase now. Now same thing if you are in floor plan, when you select the roof like this, so here you will get the two drag point. If you want to increase little bit, just increase it. But for if you want to edit this to side profile, so what you have to do, you have to hit on edit profile. Okay, in 3D plan only it is possible, I think. Just drag it, reduce the length of this profile up to here only. Finish edit mode. Now see, in 3D the profile which we have created, it's look like this. Okay, so with the help of this command you can create any types of roof. Now just let's say here I have taken one architecture plan. You can see in this 3D view. Okay, now I want to create a roof by extrusion. Okay, so for that I'm in floor plan. See, if you want to create a roof, so in architecture tab, build panel, from here you have to select the roof by extrusion. Just select it. Now pick a plane, so I'm selecting this plane. Okay, open view. Now hit on OK. Now suppose I want a curved shape roof like this, so from here I am selecting the arc command. Suppose here I want this type of roof. Okay, in this way. Okay, after creating the profile, what you have to do, hit on finish edit mode. So now see, the roof we have created, but the problem is what here, we have to attach the complete wall to the roof. So select take mouse near to any of the wall, press the tab key to select the complete wall. But see, some of the wall is not selected, this one. So manually just press the Ctrl Z, Control key, and select that wall also. Okay, then here in modify tab, modify wall panel, hit on attach top and select that roof. Now see, now the roof is attached. All of you, it is visible, I think. Now see here, one setting I want to do. Here what happened, the profile which we have created for roof, I don't want that profile here, because here we do not have any space. So I want to cut this profile. I don't want this profile. Okay, and this one also. See, here also I want to cut this profile. So for that, what we have to do, so if you want to cut the profile, so for that select that profile, means that roof. Here you will get the option in architecture tab, you will get the option vertical opening. Hit on that vertical opening. Now if you want to cut the roof, so you have to come here in floor plan first of all. Now from where you want to cut, see, so here you can see the roof is not visible. So how it is possible? So for that, I'm doing, I'm using this profile, and then in modify tab, sorry, first select the vertical, and here you can see in 3D only. Select that roof, hit on vertical opening. Now come here in level 1. See, here you will get the reference for your roof which you have created. Okay, it means this is your roof. So you want to cut this area, you don't want to see the roof here. So here I am taking the rectangle. From here what I am doing, I am drawing the rectangle. I want the roof, I don't want this roof, so I have drawn the rectangle. I want to remove that much of roof, so I have removed. Same here also, you can use the line command also, but here I am using the rectangle. See, I don't want to see this portion, so I have selected that portion. After doing this, hit on finish edit mode. Now come here in 3D plan. See the roof which we have cut, that much of part we have cut by using the vertical opening. See, this much also. So as per your requirement, you can create any type of roof. Okay, so this, the cutting which I have shown, it is very important. Okay, when you start a new project and you want to create a like different shape of roof, so it is very important to cut, how we can cut the roof. Okay, so this is all about how to create roof by extrusion. I hope all of you enjoyed the session. Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss about roof soffit, roof fascia and roof gutter. Okay, so let's start. So if you want to discuss that, so first of all I'm creating one architect layout. So first of all here I am creating the wall. So how to create the wall, all of you know. From architect tab, build panel, wall option is given, hit on that. From option bar you can select the level, and then just take the rectangle, and here I am creating the wall. Now from here I have selected the line. Suppose I want to create the wall like this. Okay, now I want to place the door here, so select the door and place it here. But now here I want to remove this center wall. So how to remove? So first of all, if you want to remove this wall, so you have to split the wall. So how to split? Modify tab, modify panel. Here you will get the option split element. Select that and split the wall. Now you can select the wall and drag it up to here. Same way, select this wall and drag it. Now see in this 3D view what we have done here. Hit in detail line, always you have to select the fine and shaded view. So here we have created the wall like this. Okay, now I want to create the roof here. So all of you know about how to create the roof by footprint. I want to create a slope type of roof. Okay, so for that architect tab, build panel, here you will get the roof by footprint, hit on that. Okay, then they are asking, would you like to move it level 2? Yes, we have to create the roof at level 2 only, so hit on yes. Here you want slope, so select defined slope. I want to give the overhang 1 feet, so I have given that 1 feet. Then from draw panel, hit on pick wall. Now you have to pick the wall. Okay, like this, just pick the wall. See, the roof is ready now. Slope type, hit on finish edit mode and come here in 3D view. Roof is ready. Now if you want some other, what is the thickness we have selected? It is 12 inch. I want to draw 9 inch thickness roof. Okay, so in this way you can you can change the thickness also. Okay, so now here we have drawn the roof, but I don't want this front slope. Okay, so for that select the roof from the drawing, modify tab, mode panel. Here you will get the option edit footprint, hit on that. Now from here in level 1 you want to remove the slope, front slope, so select it. Here see in option bar, defined slope is check, you have to uncheck it because you don't want slope now here. So uncheck and finish edit mode. Now see in 3D view, it's look like this. The slope is not there in front side. Now you want to join this wall to this roof. So how to join, all of you know already, I have discussed this. First we have to select the complete wall from the drawing. How to select? Just take mouse near to any of the wall, press the tab key, and then from modify tab, modify wall panel, you will get the option attach top. Hit on that and then select the roof. Now see, the wall is attached to the roof like this. Here we have taken the overhang also, that is what is showing here. Getting? Now I will show you how to apply roof fascia. So roof fascia is what? It is the long straight board that run along the lower edge of the roof. Okay, generally we are using this fascia roof gutter for hilly spaces, hilly areas. Okay, so okay, how to apply it? See, all of you, architecture tab, build panel, in roof you will get the option roof fascia. Select that roof fascia, and from here you have to select the edges of this roof. So this is your top edge, bottom edge. So as per your requirement, so I am selecting top edge. When you select the edges, automatically here you will get the roof fascia. You can see when you select the fascia, they will show you the size of that fascia. Fascia flat 1 inch by 12 inch. It means the thickness of this fascia is 1 inch and the total height is 12 inch. Okay, so now same, I want to draw the roof fascia in this entire edges of this roof. So what you have to do, select the fascia from the drawing, modify tab, profile panel, here you will get the option add or remove segment. So I want to add, so hit on add and select that edges. See, the fascia is added. Here also fascia is added. Here also you want to add, select it. Okay, in this edge, select this edge. Here I want to apply here also, select this edge also, and the back side roof edge. Okay, so we have done. Getting? Now some settings. See, now suppose the fascia we have created. Now when you select the fascia from the drawing, see, the all fascia is selected, but I want to apply the fascia in this face also. So select the fascia, hit on edit and select this face also. Okay, now select that fascia, complete fascia. Here you will get in property panel, you will get the option vertical profile offset. If you want to give vertical offset, suppose 1 feet, see here the fascia vertically offset you have given 1 feet. Okay, now press the Ctrl Z again. If you want to give horizontal profile offset, what, 1 feet, see here the offset is shown 1 feet horizontally. Now press the Ctrl Z. Okay, so different total length of that fascia is also shown here. Okay, so now what, suppose the fascia which you have drawn here, it is 1 inch by 12 inch. Okay, 1 inch thickness and 12 inch height. If you want to change the profile, you don't need to you don't want to draw this profile, you want some other profile. Okay, select that fascia, edit type. Here in profile you will get the different size of fascia. As per your requirement you can select it. Okay, now if you want to change the material, so from the material, here you have to hit on 3 dot, select the material which you want to apply. So I want to apply the wood material, so I have selected that and hit on OK, then apply. Okay, now see, here you will get the wood material fascia, their thickness is 1 inch. Okay, so if you want to see the real texture of this fascia, so you have to open the realistic view for that. Okay, now see the real texture. Okay, so come here, better is to work in shaded view. Okay, so in this way we have to apply the roof fascia. Now here you can see, okay, the roof fascia we have drawn, but here I want to draw the soffit, roof soffit. I want to fill this area, and I want to fill this area. So for that you have to draw the soffit, and I think all of you know about the roof soffit. Soffit is what? It is the material beneath the eave that connects the far edge of your roof to the exterior wall of your home or of your house. Okay, so if you want to fill this area, so for that you have to draw the roof fascia, roof soffit. Okay, so how to draw roof soffit? So first of all, come here in any floor plan level. So here better is to but here the roof is not visible. If you want to see the roof, come here in ceiling plan. Now see the roof which you have created, it is visible here, and from here hit on fine and wireframe. Okay, now here you can see the thickness of wall is also shown, and the roof which you have drawn, their offset, everything is visible. Now from the roof you have to select the roof faucet, hit on yes. Now from here pick wall option is given, select the wall. Oh, you have to select the complete, but what we are drawing here, we have to draw the soffit, no? So select the roof's soffit, yes. Then from here you will get the option. So complete, pick wall option is given, pick the wall, press the tab key to select the complete wall, and then finally finish. But see here what happened when you come here in 3D. Okay, faucet we have drawn, but it is a solid. Inside this room also we have drawn the faucet, but I don't want to see the faucet here inside room, only in the edges. I want to see the soffit, see, in this edges. So for that what you have to do, just select that faucet, sorry, okay, roof faucet from the drawing, edit boundary option is given. Now here open the ceiling plan. From here draw panel, you have to select the roof, pick roof edges, hit on this and select the edge of that roof. Okay, then finish edit mode. Now you can see in 3D view the faucet, inside faucet is deleted, only you will get the faucet at the edges of roof. Okay, but see the faucet which we have drawn, it is in the upside here. If you want this faucet in the bottom, okay, so you can move it also here. When you select this soffit, here you can see the level is showing height, height offset from level, how much you want to offset 4 feet. Okay, 4 feet. See this soffit is moved 4 feet above. Okay, if you don't want to move this soffit, just select 0. But I want to move this soffit at the edge of this roof. So for that what you can do, from here it is not possible. First you have to open the elevation view, like north elevation, come here, or south elevation is also there. Okay, so I'm in north elevation. See the soffit which we have drawn, it is here. Okay, first try to move it here. Okay, now select that soffit. Here you can see in modify tab, modify panel, you will get the command move, hit on that, select base point and move it exact here. Now when you come in this 3D, see here we have filled this all area. Okay, we have drawn this soffit, but I don't want to see the soffit here in the front side, because here we do not have any roof edge. So for that what you can do, come here in floor plan and hit on this trim or extend to corner, join this wall to this, again this. Now remove this one. Okay, extend it up to here and just now hit on finish. See, in this way you can remove the soffit. Now see, Okay, we have removed the soffit from the front side. Now here you can see, here also I want to fill this area, so I'm using the fascia here to fill this area. But first of all, I will show you how to draw the faucet for this slope area, because here also I want to draw the soffit for this slope area. So for that, what I am doing, come here in architect tab, hit on roof soffit. Yes. Now here what I am doing, select this rectangle shape from this point to this point, draw the soffit. Now select this soffit, and here I want slope, so hit on define slope. How much slope you want? So same slope you have to give your roof slope. So my roof slope is 9 inch by 12 inch, but this slope is showing 1 inch, so here just give the 9 inch, then apply. Okay, finish edit mode. Now you can see in 3D view what we have done. Here I have applied this soffit. See, we have drawn this soffit. Why I have taken 9 inch by 12 inch? Because my roof slope is 9 inch by 12. Same slope you have to give here also. Okay, for this soffit. Now same I want to draw here also one soffit. So for that, what we have to do, if you want to draw here also, just architectural tab, hit on soffit. Yes, rectangle shape I am selecting, and just draw the soffit here. Now from here select, I want to define the slope, so hit on define slope and change the value of slope 9 inch by, because my roof slope is 9 inch by 12 inch. Okay, then finish edit mode. Now see in 3D the soffit which we have drawn in both sides. Here also I have drawn one soffit. You can see it is not at the base. I want this to move at the base of this slope roof. So for that you have to come here in elevation. See, now it is visible. I want to see this one also. So here hit on fine and come here in wireframe. Now it is both soffit is visible. Now select both of them like this with the help of control key. Use the move command and move it at the base of this roof like this. Clear? Now see, we have applied the soffit. Same way now I want to fill this area. See, so I'm using the fascia. You can add the fascia here. How to add? Simple, just in 3D view only. See in architecture tab, roof, hit on roof fascia and select the edge here. You will get the fascia. From here you can select it, select that fascia. Flip option is given, flip it up like this. From here you can length up to here only I want length, so okay. Now if you want to move, select it. See the move command is given. I want to move this point here. See, same I want to fill this area also, so I am using same fascia. So for that, in roof only you will get the fascia. Select the edges, this one. Now from here what you can do, select that and up to here only I want, and then flip option is given here, flip it. See the roof we have drawn, but for that you can see in this way can apply the fascia and whatever. But here see the fascia which we have drawn, so that is why what I'm doing, just come here, select that, move it from this point to this point. Okay, move the, I want to move this point here. Otherwise it is correct only na, so don't need to move it, it is correct, just leave it. Okay, same way if you want to change the material of this soffit, so select that, edit type, same, hit on that three dot, and from here I am taking same material, wood, select wood. Okay, okay, now see the material is wood, apply. Okay, now see Your soffit material is also wood. Getting? Same way, here which you have fill the area na? See the complete area you have fill. Same way you can fill this area also. Here see, you will get the option flip. I think you can flip it inside like this. Okay, same way if you want to draw here also fascia, you want to fill this area, so same, from here you have to hit on roof fascia, select the edges. Okay, then use the flip option, and if you want to move, select it and hit on move command. I want to move this point here. Okay, now see, otherwise what you can do, don't need to move, select, here you will get the horizontal flip it inside. Same way here also. So I'm using fascia edges. Now just you vertically flip, then select it, reduce the length up to here, horizontal flip. Now see, in this way you can draw it. Okay, now if you want to join it, you can join it also. Okay, so the soffit and fascia is ready. Now if you want to draw the roof gutter, how what is the use of gutter? I think all of you know. A gutter is what? It is a pipe or trough along the edge of a roof that carries rainwater away from a building. Okay, so for to draw the roof gutter, same architecture tab, build panel, here you will get the option roof gutter. Select, and then you have to select the edges. See, the roof gutter is now ready. Here also, if you want to provide the gutter, select this edges here. If you want to change the gutter profile, okay, that option is also available. Okay, select this gutter. Clear? So here we have drawn the gutter. You want to change the profile, so select the complete gutter. See, from the drawing like this, edit type. Here you can change the profile, whatever you want. You can, if you want to change the material, hit on this three dot. Which type of material? Wood. Select the wood. Okay, then again apply. Okay, see, the material is also changed. Okay, so in this gutter, whatever rainwater, you can collect it and then throw it to the nearest drainage point. Okay, in this way we have to create roof gutter, roof fascia, and roof soffit. I hope all of you enjoy this session. Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss how to make a floor in Revit. So if you want to make a floor, so better is to create first wall boundary. Okay, then I will show you how to draw the floor. Okay, so I want to draw the wall. So for that, architecture tab, build panel, here you will get the option wall. Hit on that. Then in option bar, you can select the height up to where you want to. I want to draw the wall up to level 2. Okay, now location, offset, so as per your requirement you can give it. Now from draw panel I have selected rectangle. Now I am drawing here just wall, rectangle wall, any dimension you can just draw it. Okay, now see, here I have created the wall. If you want to place the door also, okay, you can place it. Okay, if you want to place the window, that all I will explain you in detail, how to do the placement of window and door, everything I will show you. We have a separate topic for that. Okay, so here I have drawn one wall, you can see in 3D view. Now from here, always detail level select as a fine, and see in shaded view, here we have created one wall. Now what I want to do here, I want to create floor for this wall. Okay, so for that, come here in floor plan level 1, and all of you know floor we have to draw in the level 1 only. Okay, so if you want to give flooring, so for that, here we have an option architecture tab, build panel, floor. When you hit on this drop down list, we have to draw the floor. We have to select the floor architectural. Okay, because we are creating architecture layout. So from here you have to select floor architectural. Okay, now see, when you select the floor architecture, here you will get the modifying tools and different in draw panel you will get the different shape. Okay, and here in properties palettes you can see the properties of floor is given. So how much thickness floor you want to select. So from your property palettes, just hit on that drop down list. Here you will get the different thickness of floor, generic 12-inch. Okay, different types of floor is available here. As per your requirement, you can select. So I am selecting generic 12-inch. Okay, from here. Now I want to create the floor. So by default, when you see in this draw panel, here it is pick wall is checked. So you have from here you have to select the pick wall, and now see you have to pick the wall. So like this, here, then here, this wall, this wall. In this way you have to create the wall. After picking the wall, what you have to do, just hit on finish edit mode. Now you can see in 3D the floor is ready now. 12-inch thickness of floor is ready. Okay, now again I am deleting and come here in floor plan. Now I will show you. Suppose from here select the architectural floor. Now from draw panel, if we are creating the floor, so I am selecting one by one. We have to pick the wall one by one. Suppose in one click only you have to pick the wall. So okay, from draw panel you have to select the pick wall and take cursor near to any of the wall and press the tab key to select the complete wall like this. Then left click, see, you will get the floor boundary. Then finally from mode panel you have to hit on finish edit mode. Now see, the floor is ready in 3D in this way. But see, the problem is what? Here the floor which we have created, see, I want to create the floor from this exterior edges, but the floor is drawn from the interior edge. So just delete this one, come here in floor plan. Now again from here you have to select the floor architectural, pick wall. Now just take a cursor near to this outer edge of wall and press the tab key. Now see, here the boundary line is drawn from the outer edge of this wall. Now hit on finish edit mode. Now see in 3D view, now here the wall which we have created, okay, it is ready now. Getting? Now see the next thing here which I want to show you. Okay, so the first option which I have shown you for the creation of floor is what you can select the pick wall. Suppose if you don't want to select pick wall, okay, we have a different option. You can use the line command also. See, hit on line and draw the line from where you want to draw. So at in the outer of edge of this wall, I am selecting the line and then hit on finish edit mode. The floor is ready. Same way, if you want to use another shape, like from here what I am doing, from draw panel, I am selecting the rectangle. I want rectangle shape of floor. Select it because the the wall which we have created is a rectangle only now. So you can use it from this point to this point. See, the floor is ready. After creating, hit on finish edit mode. Now see in 3D view. Okay. Now again I am deleting and come here in floor plan. Now the next thing which I want to show you, see, when I am creating the floor, here you will get one option. Suppose I am taking the rectangle from this point to, see, here you will get one option. Which option? Span. Span direction is showing here in the back side of this wall. Okay, always remember, select the required this span direction. Always you have to show in the entrance, main entrance. Okay, so for that what you have to do, if you want to change the span direction, here see the span direction option is given. Hit on that and see pick line. So select from draw panel, select the pick line and where you want to show this span, you want to show the span in the main entry. Okay, hit on that. See, now the span is here in the main entry. If you want to show the span here, okay, you can select this one. If you want to show the span direction here, okay, so better is to show the span direction in main entry. Okay, so I have selected here. After that, finish edit mode. Now see, the floor is ready. Getting? Now one more thing, come here. Now you need to create the floor. So same floor, from here you can select any like I have selected 12-inch floor. Now here you can see, in option bar we have a one option, offset. Suppose if you want to give offset, some offset 2 feet or 1 feet. So okay, suppose I want to give 2 feet offset, so I have given here offset 2 feet, and from here I am selecting the rectangle. You can select the rectangle or pick wall, every option is given. So from this point, but see, the problem is what, here you can't use that. For that, again, if you are using rectangle for the creation of floor, so you have to give the offset value whatever you want, 2 feet. Okay, from this point, now see, the offset is showing here 2 feet. Okay, then finally hit on finish edit mode. You can see in 3D view, here we have given 2 feet offset. Okay, in this way we have to create the floor. Now delete this one. Now again, same option you can use for this also. Suppose I have selected a pick wall, and over offset I have given 2 feet. Okay, now you have to select the wall. In one click, if you want to select if you want to pick the wall in one click, so what you have to do, as already I have told you, take the mouse near to the wall and press the tab key. See, all wall is selected. Then if you want to change the direction, flip option is given, flip it. Okay, flip. This offset, 2 feet offset we have given. If you want outside offset, okay, is okay. If you want inside 2 feet offset, so you have to hit on flip option. Okay, so as per your requirement, and as I discussed that pen, if you want to change the direction of a span, so from here you have to select the span direction and pick. From here you have to pick the line where you want. I want here. Okay, select that, then finish edit mode. Okay, now see, the floor is ready. Getting? So in this way you can do it. Now when I'm selecting the floor, here you can see, when you select the floor in properties palette, here the level is showing from where you are drawing the floor. From level 1 we have started. Height, if you want to give some height, okay, that also. See, in 3D I will show you. If you select the floor, yet what height you want from level 1. If you want to move this floor up like 2 feet, select. See, now the floor is 2 feet above the base level 1. If you want to confirm, come here in elevation and see level 1. From here, how much? Use the di command if you want to measure exact. So 1 feet you have move up, so it is showing 1 feet. Okay, so as per this you can do anything from here. You don't want to move, you want to start the floor from level 1 only. Okay, so you write down 0. Okay, now see again. Now other properties is also given here. In dimension you can see the perimeter of floor which you have created, area, volume, elevation at top, elevation at base, everything, thickness what you have selected. Okay, you can check it. Now suppose, okay, we have created floor, but this floor thickness is given 12-inch, but I don't want to create 12-inch floor. I don't want 12-inch thickness. I want to create some other, like I want here 5-inch thickness floor. But see, when we are viewing here in property palettes, your option is given for 5-inch, generic 5-inch option, no. So how to change the thickness of floor? See, as per your requirement, select the floor from the drawing. Here in property palettes, you will get the option edit tab. Hit on that. Then first, better is to hit on duplicate and give the name generic. Now I want to create generic 4-inch wall, 5-inch wall. So I have written here generic 5-inch. Okay. Now see, in type the name is changes. Now in structure you have to hit on edit. See, presently it is showing thickness of floor 1 feet, means 12-inch, but you don't want 12-inch, you want to create 5-inch. Okay, so in the structure hit on edit. See, from in the thickness, in the structure only, in thickness it is showing 1 feet. So you want 5 inch, just write down 5 inch here. Then okay. Now see, the default thickness is showing 5 inch. Okay. Now see, your floor thickness is now 5 inch. If you select, if you want to confirm 5 inch is or not. So see, I will show you here. Use the DI from this point to this point. See, 5 inch thickness of floor is showing. Okay. In this way, you can change the thickness of floor. Getting all of you? And in 3D also you can see the thickness is less, 5 inch only. Okay, now suppose if you want to change the material of this floor, you want to change the material. So same thing, select the floor. In edit type, when you come here in a structure only, hit on edit. Now if you want to change the material, here you can see structure material, hit on this. From here also you can do the changes in material. See here, 3 dot is not shown, but when you hit on this 3 dot, see here you will get the, from here material browser you can select any type of material which you want. So suppose for floor I want tiles, so in search box just select the tiles. If it is available, so it will show you here. Okay, if you want concrete, okay, so as per your requirement you can select the material. Okay, here you can see the material library is shown. From here you can search any material which you want. Getting how to do that? In a structure, hit on edit, then hit on this 3 dot. Now which type of material you want? From here, from the material browser you can select any type of material which you want. Okay, so just wait for that. Here now see the material, just wait. Same way, if you want some other thickness, you don't want 5 inch thickness of floor, you want to draw 6 inch, 8 inch or whatever as per your requirement, which is not given in property palettes. So from here you can change the thickness. Now see, from material you can select any of the material which you want. See, different types of material is given here. You want default floor or different concrete, can select the concrete material. See here they will show you the pattern, how it will look like this. Okay, see the concrete pattern. If you want to apply, you can just hit on OK. Then it is showing you have taken the concrete material. Okay, then again apply. Okay, now see, so in shaded view only the pattern is visible which you have taken for flow. If you want to see the texture, realistic view of this material, so for that you have to open the realistic view from visual style, hit on realistic. Now wait for some time. Here you will get the realistic view of flooring which you have done. Now see, it's look like this concrete material. See, okay, but the file is heavy in realistic view, that is why we are working always in shaded view. Okay, in this way you can change the material of floor. Now the next thing which I want to show you is what, suppose, okay, I have deleted this flow or just leave it. Suppose if you want to do some, if you want to edit the flow, if you want to do some changes, so what you can do, just select the wall, or select the floor from the drawing. Here in modify tab, mode panel, you will get the option edit boundary. Hit on that edit boundary. Now see, when you hit, now you can do the changes. So come here in floor plan level 1. Suppose now I want to flip this floor inside. So okay, select this, hit on flip. Now see, the floor is flip inside. If you don't want to flip, you want offset outside only, so select it. Now from here, how much you want offset, so we have given 2 feet. If you want to increase more, okay, so manually you can just select and give the value 4 feet, enter. See, so the wall is moved 4 feet. Here also you can select manually, you can drag it as per your requirement. Here if you want to move this wall, drag it. This wall also if you want to move, just drag it as per your requirement. from here, just select it. Okay, in this way you can do any of the changes. Then finally hit on finish edit mode. Now see, the wall is floor is ready. Okay, so in this way we have to make a floor in Revit. I hope all of you enjoyed the session. See you in next one.